My love, I chose you yesterday. You can't start crying already. I chose you yesterday, walking out of work here in the clubs, jumping out of planes, thinking we are builders, creating our blended family. I chose you today through this hotel hopping, mango pancake eating, 12-hour busing, hangry attituding, Google translating adventure. I choose you tomorrow, wherever we are in the world, wherever we are in life, whatever we are doing. I'll be there beside you, or maybe in front of you walking backwards since you don't like to be recorded from the side. I promise to make sure you always have gas in the car, to always be your handbag and hold your things, to always go with you on your spontaneous ideas that might land me on another world trip. To love you knowing you are watching our TV show without me. To love you with all that I can. To promise to choose you yesterday, today and tomorrow. I adore your loving heart. I adore your adventurous spirit. I adore your stubborn independence. I adore your fierce competitiveness. I adore who you are and who you have helped me to become. I love you with all my heart. My home is wherever you are.
In the space, soft as the wishes two dreamers make. Time is like rivers folding us near with love like a lens.
And today seeing you smile, knowing you've found someone who truly sees you, who appreciates you and loves you for everything you are, makes me happy. I just want to say thank you for loving each other, for loving all of us, and mostly for loving me. And I know I may not say it much, but I love you both more than words ever be able to say.
Every tide, to every storm, I am yours forevermore.
You have been the most unconventional kid that I was never looking for, but extremely grateful to have found. I can't do it.
You got it.
You've taught me to be vulnerable, to trust, to feel supported and safe. I promise to always support your dreams, even if it changes on what TV series we're watching. I will strive to appreciate you and all the little things you do, like taking the elevator 45 stories multiple times a day to get me things from the shop. I will continue to love you for you and all your weird quirks, inappropriate jokes, and racist Google searches. I will challenge you and push you to always be the best version of yourself and to step out of your comfort zone like traveling the world. I promise to turn toward you always, especially if we disagree. We will face every hurdle that comes our way side by side. I will be your safe place to vent, to rest, to be happy or to cry. I will be your biggest support, just as you are mine. You make me laugh, you challenge me, you challenge my thinking, and you do so much for me that I forget how to fill the car with gas. You are my home, and I promise to love you conventionally, unconditionally, yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
My respect for you has always been held at a high regard, and I'll always be grateful for everything you've done for me, my family, and Hannah. I only hope to support you just as much as you've supported me. I love you, my brother.
Today isn't about two people falling in love. It's about healing, it's about growth, and it's about choosing something better even when the past makes it hard. And I am truly grateful to stand here and celebrate the life you are building together. I don't want to say that.
As we all family and friends have shared and expressed your love in front of this gathering, family and friends, you guys, both of you promised to each other And I now pronounce you as husband and wife. So now, yes, Kaya, you make it a beautiful bride.
Forever